In this video, we'll show the 5 best wasp trap on the market that will help you to choose the best wasp trap for. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. Rescue Wasp TrapStik. Taking a page out of a spider's playbook, this set of 2 traps catches wasps by luring them to a sticky surface that ensnares. The trap measures just over 11 inches long and about 5 inches in diameter, giving it enough surface area to catch hundreds of wasps, and it hangs from a tree, limb, or hook by a short chain. A plastic guard that surrounds the entire trap is large enough to allow wasps in but not larger animals such as birds. Once the trap is full, simply throw it away and replace it. Number 2. Rescue Disposable Summer Yellowjacket Trap. With its simple yet effective design, this trap from Rescue is one of the most effective ways to trap wasps. Wasps, attracted to the bait, fly into the trap, which measures 8 inches by 8 inches. And, since this trap is also non-toxic, it's safe for use in the yard around pets and children. Note that this particular trap uses a bait specially designed to catch wasps located in the central and eastern time zones of the US, so it isn't a good choice for those living west of the Mississippi. Number 3. Rescue Reusable Yellowjacket Trap. The traps consist of a plastic cylinder that measures about 10 inches long and 3.5 inches in diameter. Inside the cylinder is an inverted funnel that serves as an entrance, allowing wasps to enter but preventing them from exiting. The trap uses a special attractant made by Rescue to lure in wasps. Users can purchase refills of the attractant or use household baits. With its large size, Rescue's reusable trap can hold a large number of wasps before needing to be emptied. Once it's full, the user simply unscrews the trap's bottom and empties the container into the trash. Number 4. ASPECTEK Wasp Trap Catcher. For those who don't like the idea of marring the aesthetics of their backyard or outdoor living space, this wasp trap is a great alternative. With their orange color, green top, and bulbous shape, these traps mimic the look of the fruit, making them an ideal choice for use in trees. The trap uses natural substances such as apple cider vinegar and sugar water as bait, making it safe for use around pets. Each trap measures about 5 inches in diameter. ASPECTEK wasp traps come in sets of 2. Number 5. Proteka Wasp Trap. The natural look and reusable design of this set of 2 wasp catchers from Proteka make them a worthy choice for outdoor living spaces. The traps have an attractive orange color and rounded shape. And, unlike similar traps that have a single hole location, this trap has 3 holes, making it easier for wasps to enter the trap. Each pot includes an 18-inch nylon cord for hanging the trap from a tree branch or hook. When full, the lid unscrews, creating a wide opening for emptying the trap's contents.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.